Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about the topic that is visas. Basically, according to the visa, basically the infrastructure basically are designed, and according to the visa, the projects basically American people basically gets. So America, one of the person asked the question basically, what is the income of America basically? That is software company basically. Textbox equal to thousand cities. That thousand city basically is processed by the America only basically. Then it was the yes basically, and they are basically connected with the Oxford group basically. Oxford group basically gives on giving the data basically that take Microsoft, you take 35 words basically, and within this 35 words basically, so one word basically they can divide to thousands of company basically. You can just believe it basically. One word basically. I'm telling one word basically. One word basically they divides to thousands of country basically. Sorry, thousands of software company basically. Just one word basically. They have got 35 words basically. So you can just imagine from one word basically, you can create how many projects basically. At least basically 3,000, 4,000 company basically they can give this project basically of just one word basically. So one software company basically might be having at least basically they might be having 100 projects. So how many projects? 40, 50,000 projects basically. More than basically you can say as a 90,000 projects basically. 90,000 projects because big software company basically gets more than 4 5,000 projects basically yearly. So one of the person told that yes basically 90,000 projects basically they can generate from just from one word basically, and that also basically their employee only basically creates the companies basically. Their employees only basically creates the company. So you can just imagine the income of the Microsoft also basically, because that employee basically might be giving some percentage of income to Microsoft also basically. They might be not, because percentage of income means if they are having some services, then they will be hiring from Microsoft. Operating system basically they will be hiring. The software they will be hiring. Each and every income base. So this connects to percentage, na, basically. This connects to percentage income basically. They are going to invest to percentage of income to the Microsoft basically. So like this basically that divides the percentage of income to the Microsoft also basically. So like this basically things are also basically connected. So you can just imagine basically the things basically connected. So in this basically the see the visa basically USA basically is giving. It's a huge number of visa basically. Work visa, visitor visa, immigration visa, green card visa. Green card visa means what basically? Green card visa means immigration, green card, and then permanent residency. So they get the permanent. They give the permanent residency, and they if they gives the permanent residency, that they don't give basically like this basically. They basically check lots of things basically in just for H1B visa also. That is work visa basically. So just in green card basically how much visa, how much inquiry basically they might be doing basically. That also very big level visa. So big level inquiry. So G visa, family visa. Family visa might be equal to no, green visa, and green visa might be single visa. Family visa might be temporary visit to USA basically, such as tourism business. So it's a temporary visa basically. So permanent visa is this green card. Green card has a permanent visa. So one of the person told that basically the visa system basically connects to up to what level basically. Then he told them visa system basically connects to this level basically. One of the person told that also basically connects to this level basically. He told that connects to this level basically. Connects to connects to this level. So one of the person asked the question basically, every month basically, every year basically, how many people dies in USA basically? That basically is set it according to the this basically. So one of the person asked the question basically. Just see up to what level the things basically are connected. One of the person asked the question basically, how many words basically USA has got basically? USA got to generate in the environment basically. Then one of the person told that basically this many combination basically. Then he told that this many combination basically, right? And per person basically, then he told that this many combination. Then he told that this many combination. Okay, basically. So one of the rule basically of USA is basically they are basically already jumped into the production of the each and every human basically, right? That this blood is going to generate this human needs, this blood is going to generate this human needs, this blood is going to generate this human needs, this is going to generate vegetables, this is going to generate oil, this is going to generate fruits, this is going to generate this, that, basically each and everything basically they have already done the plan, right? Basically. But Oxford group says that basically this we have already set it basically. This basically set of words combination basically we have already set it in the environment basically. So one of the person told that basically according to this basically this process basically works. That is the visa process. That means the visa company basically know basically that these all are the combination of words basically which will connect to the death basically, which will connect to the death basically. So one of the person told that basically, for example, there are 400 crore people basically in USA, right? So it might possible that basically all 400 people basically all their communication basically might connect to this also basically, set of combination of words basically. Then he told that yes basically it might be possible. So according to the set of words basically which USA basically has got, according to that basically they sets the environment basically, and according to that basically environment basically say that basically issue, see basically how dangerous visas are basically. Issue student visa this much, issue work visa this much, visitor visa this much, exchange visa this much, immigration immigrant visa this much, religious visa this much, transit visa this much, A visa, USA visa this much, this green card this much, TN visa this much, administration status this much, G visa this much, family visa this much, this visa this much. So like this basically the environment actually decides that how much visa basically we have to issue. So just see up to what level things basically is connected. So environment basically decides, please issue this much visa, please issue this much visa, please issue this much visa, please issue this much green card, please issue this much green card, please issue this much green cards, please issue this much green cards, please issue this much work permits. So just see up to what level things basically are connected basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the visa system of the USA and the visa system of the India, and basically the infrastructure of India and infrastructure of the USA basically. How basically they can't create the exact copy of India infrastructure, they have to basically work according to their environment only basically. That is according to the environment they issues the visa, and according to the environment basically they issues the visa, and according to the visa issue basically they have to create the infrastructure basically. So in next video basically we are going to see this.